Hello, parents, and welcome back to our baby food playlist. We're a professional team of midwife and nurse, here to guide you through safe, healthy, and simple recipes for your baby's first foods. Today, we're making 3 delicious fruit purees: avocado, mango, and banana. Stay with us until the end, because we'll share essential tips about storage, allergy signs, and how to make these purees safe and perfect for your baby. Avocado puree. Let's start with avocado. Cut a ripe avocado in half. For this recipe, we'll use just 1/2. Now, mash it gently with a fork until smooth and creamy. As I mash, let's talk about its benefits. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and folate, all of which support brain development, healthy growth, and digestion. Next, we add a little breast milk or formula and mix until we reach a thin, baby-friendly texture. Cover the puree with cling film to prevent browning. Store in the fridge for up to 24 hours. But remember, it's always best served fresh. Mango puree. Now let's prepare mango puree. Take half of a ripe mango. And mash it well with a fork until soft. As I mash, here's why mango is amazing for your baby. It's packed with vitamin C and beta-carotene, which strengthen the immune system, protect cells, and support healthy vision. Pass the mashed mango through a fine sieve to making it completely smooth and safe for your little one. Add a spoon of breast milk or formula and stir until you get a silky puree. Store in the fridge for up to 24 hours. And always make sure the texture is lump-free to prevent choking. Banana puree. And now, banana puree, one of the simplest and most loved first foods. Peel 1 ripe banana and mash it with a fork until creamy and smooth. While mashing, let's talk about why banana is perfect for babies. It's high in potassium, vitamin B6, and natural fiber. These nutrients support healthy digestion, provide gentle energy, and help your baby's growing muscles. Mix in a little breast milk or formula to make it the right consistency for your baby's first tastes. Bananas brown quickly, so cover with cling film if you need to store it. Best served immediately, but you can keep in the fridge for up to 12 hours. When starting solids, always begin around 6 months, offering 1 to 2 teaspoons at first. Increase gradually, and introduce one food at a time, waiting 2 to 3 days before adding a new one. Watch carefully for allergy signs such as rash, swelling, vomiting, diarrhea, or breathing difficulties. Remember, early feeding is about exploration, fun, and building healthy habits for life. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow our complete baby food playlist for more expert recipes and guidance. See you in the next video. Bye!